Hello everyone. Have you noticed that when you change a pin code on these locking pads, they always got 4 digits, or most likely they got 4 digits. But guess what? If for instance you put 1985, which I put on this ones, I can use any of these 3 codes. I don't have to use 1985. I can use 1895 or 1598. You don't have to be in order. It will still undo. It will still unlock. So let's try. So 1985 and then Z. This is my code. It should unlock. Yeah. So if I press 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, it does not unlock. Hey, stranger. How are you? Good stuff. I got the lock yesterday, but it wasn't working because this is a different one, and it didn't have the Z, so I had to bring it back and then come and do it today. So again, let me show you this. 1859 Z works. So let me show you 9851 and Z. Sorry, that Z works. So it doesn't go now.